tired. It's like, well, actually, it's early. I don't know. It depends how you look at it. But what I want to share is sleeping in the dorms. Right, I'm currently on a workaway, and usually, not always, but often when you do workaway, you have to sleep in the dorms. And I'm a light sleeper. You might know where I'm going. It's Snores. People who snore, they either like I don't know, loud snore, like that was so disgusting, or like, or just like loud breathing. It wakes me up, or and I could not sleep. And the person who snores is actually lovely, and I feel bad. And then I actually so like things how you can fall asleep, but it didn't really work in the end. You can see the dorm bed here. I asked my boyfriend to call me and tell me a story on the phone while there was another person sleeping. And I said to my boyfriend, I can't talk because there are people sleeping. But I said a few things, and actually I guess the other person has light sleeping, but only when somebody speaks. So I woke him up, and he told me off, and I felt really guilty because I hate when people waking up the people in the dorms. So I kind of did the same thing that the snoring person did to me. Looked very disgusting this morning. But why I'm sharing this is I just would like to raise awareness of like, you know, when you're in a dorm, when you travel full time, you probably don't have enough money. I get that. I can't get always single room. But guys, can we please be more aware of each other? Like, if you know you're snoring, can you try to get a single room? Or I don't know, maybe there should be dorms for snorers and non-snorers. To be fair, like I talk in sleep sometimes. Well, I used to do that. I don't know if I do that now. Nobody told me ever, but I never tell anybody that they snore. Why is it so cloudy? Okay, I don't know why this is being cloudy. So my message, my key point here is, can we try to be aware of each other? Even I know we are sleeping, but I'm sure people who snore are aware of snoring. And the light sleepers, guys, we need to get earplugs. But the problem with earplugs is that I need to wake up at a certain time. I need to have an alarm clock, and when I put my earplugs in, it doesn't wake me up. So what to do and how to sleep? That's the big question. I don't know. Do you have guys any tips on how to deal with snoring people in the dorms? Because I would really appreciate those. I sometimes use, like, I was listening to YouTube, or I was listening to audiobook, and that, like, that can I don't hear the sleeping person because I'm hearing the talking, but I actually don't want to do that. I think it's a really bad way to fall asleep. I kind of didn't have a choice. and yeah, then I woke up the other person up, and it's bad. So you guys, do you have any other tips on how to be able to sleep in a dorm with snoring people? I'm sure there are people on each side of the bridge, people who do snore and people who don't snore. So can you guys please consider each other, because I think everybody would be happier. Okay, I'm gonna maybe show you a little bit from my workaway, and yeah. Right, I'm gonna do some yoga first. So I'm currently in DaLat, in Vietnam, and I'm doing a workaway here. And today I'm cooking breakfast, and I'm making pancakes and bananas. But before I do that, I want to do some yoga. I want to have some video. Just be careful because there's paint like at the wall of this thing.
Where's the laundry?
Just give it to Yen at the front desk, and
Okay.
she will wash it for you.